Hi guys, today we'll be doing an installation of 2.5 kilowatt solar energy using 5 units of 500 watt solar panel monocrystalline in half cut. The first thing you have to do before mounting your solar panels is to use aluminium profile, or you call them aluminium interlocks. They are used for holding the solar panels to the roof. You can call them solar panels rack, or you can call them aluminium profile. So the reason why we have to do the layout is so that we know how to lay our solar panels very well. How do you hold this aluminium profile or this aluminium interlock to the roof? Come closer, let me show you. So the first thing you have to do before laying your solar panels is to screw this aluminium profile to the roofing ties. Don't screw anywhere here because water flow around this environment. So if you screw anywhere here, there are possibility that water will flow into the roof. So the best place to screw or to lay your profile is these edges, because water cannot get through here, and once you screw it, the screw will now block whatever holes is being created there. So after laying this, then the next thing is to lay your panels on them. If you observe, we have bolt and nut here. The reason for this bolt and nut is to hold the solar panel firm to the aluminium profile. But remember, the aluminium profile was first held to the roofing ties before we now use this bolt and nut. This is how this bolt and nut works. This washer will hold this aluminium, solar panel frame to the aluminium interlock. That's why we arrange it this way. So before you lay your solar panels, you have to first do your layout. If you observe, we have done our layout before we mount the solar panels.
And this is the result after the installation. If you observe very well, the solar panels are neatly installed. There is no cable exposed outside. The reason why you should always hide your cable is to avoid corrosion, because if your solar panel cable are exposed to the sun, there are tendencies that corrosion will happen in the cable and your cable will get rust. So the best thing is hide your cables under the panels so that the panels will produce or will provide shade for your cables. If you like this video, don't forget to drop your comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And if you want us to come and do something like this for you, drop your comment below also.